Dental implants on a budget, Turkey vs. Europe. Dental implants are becoming an increasingly popular option for those looking to replace missing teeth or improve their smile. However, the cost of dental implants can be prohibitive for many people, leading them to seek out more affordable options. One popular destination for budget-friendly dental implants is Turkey, where the cost of dental care is significantly lower than in many European countries. In this article, we will compare the cost, quality, and overall experience of getting dental implants in Turkey versus Europe. Cost comparison. One of the main reasons why people choose to get dental implants in Turkey is the cost. Dental care in Turkey is generally much more affordable than in many European countries, including Germany, France, and the UK. The cost of a single dental implant in Turkey can be up to 70% cheaper than in Europe, making it a popular choice for those on a budget. Quality of care. Despite the lower cost, the quality of dental care in Turkey is generally on par with European standards. Many dentists in Turkey have received their training in Europe or the United States and are board-certified professionals. Additionally, dental clinics in Turkey are equipped with state-of-the-art technology and follow strict hygiene protocols to ensure the safety and comfort of their patients. In Europe, dental care is known for being of high quality, with strict regulations in place to ensure the safety and efficacy of dental treatments. However, the cost of dental care can be a major barrier for many people, leading them to seek out more affordable options abroad. Overall experience. The overall experience of getting dental implants in Turkey versus Europe can vary depending on your personal preferences and requirements. In Turkey, you can often find English-speaking dentists and staff who can help guide you through the process and answer any questions you may have. Many dental clinics in Turkey also offer packages that include accommodation and transportation, making it easier for international patients to plan their trip. In Europe, the experience of getting dental implants can also be seamless, with many dental clinics offering comprehensive services and personalized treatment plans. However, the cost of treatment in Europe can be a major deterrent for many people, leading them to consider other options such as Turkey. Conclusion. In conclusion, getting dental implants in Turkey can be a cost-effective and high-quality option for those looking to improve their smile on a budget. However, it is important to do your research and choose a reputable dental clinic with experienced professionals to ensure the success of your treatment. If you are considering getting dental implants in Turkey or Europe, be sure to compare the cost, quality of care, and overall experience to make an informed decision. Ultimately, the choice between Turkey and Europe will depend on your individual needs and preferences, but both destinations offer excellent options for dental implant treatment.